Next, very important concept, equations of a straight line. So this is a concept we are going to use in many more areas in our higher classes also. So kindly listen carefully. First we are going to study the equation of the basic concepts in a coordinate axis. First we are going to study about equation of x-axis and y-axis. You know what is x-axis in a graph? Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0. The same way equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. So it is easy for us to keep it in mind. X means we have to write y we have to write x. So it is easy for us. So again you repeat yourself, equation of x-axis, y is equal to 0, as well as equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0, right? Next, equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through h comma k. Don't get confused, just to see the diagram. Equation of x-axis, equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. One line, this is x-axis, a line is parallel to x-axis and passing through one point, as it is in the first quadrant. Consider the point as h comma k. So equation of a straight line, we are going to find the equation of this straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through h comma k. Equation of x-axis, what is equation of x-axis? Yes, you are right, it is y equal to 0. So we have to write y equal to 0 if x is there. The same way parallel to y-axis, it is also like y-axis, the horizontal line. So we have to write y is equal to, what is the y coordinate here? H comma k. K is the y coordinate, h x coordinate. So we have to write y equal to k. So equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis passing through h comma k, it is y equal to k. Next, equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis and passing through h comma k. What is the straight line parallel to y-axis and passing through h comma k? See, this is y-axis and this is a line parallel to y-axis. We are going to find the equation of this straight line parallel to y-axis and passing through h comma k. Equation of y-axis, yes, you are right, it is x equal to 0. So the same way we have to write x is equal to h. X is equal to h. Okay. So equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis, y equal to k. Equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis passing through h comma k, x is equal to h. Next, equation of the straight line perpendicular to x-axis passing through h comma k. Perpendicular, a line which is perpendicular to x-axis. This is a line perpendicular to x-axis. So we are going to find the equation of this line. The same we find here, no? What is this equation? X is equal to h. So here, equation of a line perpendicular to x-axis. So x is equal to h. Next, equation of the line perpendicular to y-axis. See here, this is a line perpendicular to y-axis. Already we find the equation. This is y is equal to k. Okay, so perpendicular to y-axis means y is equal to k. Perpendicular to y-axis, it is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, we know y is equal to k. So that's what we are writing here. Okay. So this is a concept you must understand. Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x equal to 0. To easy, keep it in mind. Okay. Equation of a line, equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis passing through h comma k. Parallel means just a change. Perpendicular means right as such. Keep in mind like this, it will be easy for you. See, parallel to x-axis. So we have to change. Y is equal to, what is the y value here? K. So y is equal to k. Equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis. Parallel means we have to change. So parallel to y-axis. So we have to write x equal to h. So we can mug up like this also. Equation of a straight line perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular means right as such. X-axis. So x equal to h. Equation of a straight line perpendicular to y-axis. Perpendicular to y-axis means y is equal to k. Okay. So even though it is perpendicular, convert it into parallel and write the formula. It will be easy for you. Okay. Next, intercept concept. What is the intercept concept? If this is a straight line, consider this straight line. This is x-axis and y-axis. Consider this straight line. This straight line intersects x-axis at a comma 0 and intersects y-axis at 0 comma p. Right? So this length is a and this length is b. So the line, okay, now the distance between origin and the line where it meets x-axis, this distance is called x-intercept. The distance between origin and the line where it meets y-axis. This length is called y-intercept. So you must know what is the meaning of x-intercept and y-intercept, whatever straight line is given. Okay. Now we are going to study about 4 equations. We studied 3 slopes. We know what are the 3 slopes. M equal to tan theta, m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, m is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Now we are going to study 4 equations. So as I told for the previous exercise, you have to write all the 3 slopes at the right side top corner. The same way you just write all these 4 equations alone, the right side all the 4 equations in the right side top corner to study easily. Okay. First equation is y equal to mx plus c. What is m? M is slope, we know already. C, it is y-intercept. If y-intercept is given, we have to consider it as c. Now only I explain what is y-intercept. Okay. So first equation is y equal to mx plus c. M slope, c y-intercept. Okay. Study the equation alone. Y is equal to mx plus c. Second equation, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. When shall we use this equation? If a slope and only one point is given, we can use y is minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Suppose if 2 points are given, how to find the equation? The equation is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Again I repeat, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Next, x-intercept A, y-intercept B. If x-intercept and y-intercept alone given, this is the equation. We consider x-intercept as A and y-intercept as B, like this. Okay. So equation of this straight line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. What is it? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Okay. Shall we go through all the 4 equations? These 4 equations we are going to use in the next 2 exercises. Okay. So first equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Second, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Third one, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. The fourth one, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Don't worry, before we complete these 2 exercises, I will make you to learn these 4 formulas because repeatedly I am going to say for you. Thank you.